Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Anybody here? Good morning. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Morning, Freckles is in there. Hello, honey. Oh, there's number 2. Okay. These two sleep here. So it's cold again today. It was beautiful yesterday. I went out gallivanting all over the place. But it's supposed to snow again. It's actually snowing very lightly right now, but maybe just an inch or two. Sure, after I clean almost everything off. So, okay, babies, enjoy your breakfast. They got a nice homemade breakfast. Yesterday there was like 3 or 4 right at my doorstep waiting for me. So, they really, really enjoy the homemade breakfast. Okay, see you later. Have a great day.